don't smoke illegal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dawg. Playing with my name, that shit is lethal, dawg. Who you see? What? Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dawg. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dawg. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dawg. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dawg. It's just a little.
I didn't do much talking in my vlog yesterday. I don't usually do that. I do like more b-roll stuff and everything. Don't know if this is gonna be a separate vlog, or if it's going to be a 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, who knows. I'm about to go get brunch with my friend because I didn't go out last night. I'm 100% better. I just was scared and stuff like that. Plus, I was super tired and I was like, yeah, I don't want to be tired today. So brunch it is. I guess that's adulting, but no, I definitely want to go out with all of them. I don't know if that will happen since this is the only weekend that I'm here. But you know, maybe I can take a little trip here for a long weekend and go out with them then. Like for a proper night out. But I'm gonna go get brunch because your girl's hungry and your girl can eat, and I need to make up for those lost calories. Brunching with my friends. Photo shoot here behind my backyard. There's probably tons of snakes back here, but YOLO. Who even says YOLO anymore, but whatever.
A little 10-piece for it just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't go playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it if you really.
Guys, today is my last full day in Texas, sadly. I'm very bummed out about it actually. I didn't get as much time here as I wanted. I didn't get to see everyone I want to see and everything like that, but it's like bittersweet. Like I am ready to get back to California so I can get back into my routine, like eating healthy, working out. Don't mind all of that. And yes, I still do have, I don't know, at least I still have my Christmas tree lit up. It's making me happy. I'm still in the Christmas spirit. But I'm not sure what we're going to get up to today. I'm not sure if we're going to go like Fort Worth or Dallas, like Deep Ellum, or whatever we want to do, but it is quite gross out. It's cozy weather. It's very cloudy and gloomy, windy, and a little bit rainy. I think it's supposed to really downpour later on, so hopefully we're not out and about during that. But your girl is hungry, forever hungry. Yeah, so hopefully we'll go get some food here soon. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, I am wearing a like mock top or like a mock neck crop top from Misguided, I think. I have another one from Princess Polly and it was like more like the lettuce like, but I think whatever. I just want to be very simple today. My black Topshop jeans, and then I have these bad boys on, which are black and white, both sides, from Nasty Gal. They're like patent leather and everything. So instead of me being awkward, let me just get on with this video.
Niggas need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night but did it all day. Yeah, a lot of murk caught me in a hard way, but got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you love it magic, not all shade. Still going bad on you anyway.